Alright, we're here fixing the 2014 Mazda 5. Got a lot of shake in the steering wheel. And our issue is here, this sway bar link. It's not supposed to turn like that. I mean, that's bad. So we're gonna replace it. We're gonna need a 14 millimeter wrist and a, can't even see it, I'm blind. This looks like a 5 millimeter. Don't pull me out of that. But I already pre-broke these loose, so we don't waste no time showing you the tricks of the trade. But it's pretty simple to change.
You don't pay enough for that.
So, you know, they say skilled labor is expensive. Unskilled labor is cheap. Boom. Careful with that wires for the ABS system on the brake. Same thing with the bottom. Same size, 14 millimeter. See, I already pre-broke them loose to save us some time. There we go. And as simple as that, you can see the boots are broken. There's no more grease in there. These things are supposed to be solid, not to be able to move them like that. So let's go to AutoZone and get a new one. They're about 35 bucks. She'll only take a few minutes to put it back on and take it for a test drive, see if we get rid of our shake. Alright, we're back here. We got the new part. As you can tell, I can not move it with my finger. That's what we want. Right here. See how easy that is to move? So we don't want that. That's going to cause a lot of bouncing to the ounce. New one came with new hardware. Looks like this one came with a lock nut compared to the original that had an Allen screw in the center to hold it. So basically, I'm gonna do the same thing how we put it on. Simple as that. Don't forget your right there for your ABS wire. Start this. Just like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's see if it's still 14. Nope. It's gonna be a bigger size. It's
working. You ready?
Alright. There's this, I don't know if you can see it, but right there, right there, there's a 14 millimeter little hex that you can hold with the 14 millimeter to
The
tighten
top is
this.
pretty solid for it.
Like this one up
For
here.
the top for it, is that pretty solid for you?
Yeah, it's good.
For the back of it.
Tighten the bottom one. Maybe I got, of course, Sister Rudy here with me. Put the wrench on there. See how nicely that wrench fits in there. You don't have that big old socket wrench. The big old socket on end, getting in the way. Well, after we get this on, we'll get the tire back on. We'll take it for a test cruise and let you know the good news or bad news. All right, see you back in later.